In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write epics in Jira. Creating epics in Jira is a powerful way to organize and manage large bodies of work within your projects, ensuring that everything is efficiently tracked and executed. Let's get started by opening up Jira and directing ourselves to your Scrum or Kanban board. Whether you're using Scrum or Kanban, you'll want to navigate to the backlog for Scrum or the board for Kanban. These are your key areas to visualize the overall picture of your project and determine where new epics will neatly fit into your existing workflow. Once you've arrived at the right location, take a look at the top navigation bar and locate the Create button. This is your starting point for building a new epic. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to select the issue type. Here, you'll choose Epic. This selection helps Jira distinguish that you're crafting something more significant than a mere task or subtask. An epic often comprises multiple stories and tasks, embodying a larger initiative that might span several weeks or even months. After selecting the epic option, it's time to provide it with a name and summary. The epic name should be concise yet descriptive, like User Authentication System. This title serves as a quick reference label across your Jira board, making it easier for team members to identify and connect with the work. Following the name, draft a brief one-liner summary that succinctly explains the epic's core purpose, such as improve user security with a two-factor authentication system. This summary captures the essence of what you're trying to accomplish. Next, you'll want to dive deeper into the epic details by crafting a detailed description that outlines its purpose, scope, and goals. This part is incredibly important as it provides everyone involved with a clear understanding of the epic's purpose. Begin by articulating the goal. Why is this epic necessary? Highlight the motivations driving the project and the problems it intends to solve. By doing this, you ensure that everyone understands the why behind the epic. Then, define the scope by specifying the features that will be covered. This helps set boundaries for the epic, ensuring clarity about what's included and what's not. Furthermore, establish clear acceptance criteria. This step guarantees a mutual understanding of what done looks like for this epic. You might include criteria like two-factor authentication is implemented, users can enable or disable 2FA from their settings, and recovery options such as email or SMS are available. Having these criteria in place helps everyone understand when an epic has been successfully completed. Finally, assign the epic to a team member or a product owner who will be responsible for overseeing its progress. By following these steps, you'll have a structured approach to managing complex projects within Jira. This makes it significantly easier to track progress and ensure successful project outcomes.